Hello, my name is Frederic Samvora, and I'm here to present to you the closeout video for the Genealogy 3 app developed by the Goma Cardano Hub in the process of completing the proposal under Fund 8. This proposal was funded for $18,600 and it was meant to meet the challenges expressed on the nation building. The key element of the nation building challenge was to have local communities involved in blockchain application, and this project lends itself well into that objective, given that it does actually allow members of families members to link themselves and use the blockchain as a way to basically establish their genealogy tree independently from the civil society and the civil services that do not offer such services. So the challenge was to basically go around the issue of identification, which is a political sensitive element in the DRC. Onboarding people, gathering people for identification is quite very controlled. The security services are always involved, quite keen to know what you're doing. However, we went ahead and due to the absence of Atala Prisma, we were able to implement this solution using an NFT-based identification and tracking system. So through this video, I should go over the demonstration made by Akili, and I'll go over the element of this implementation. So basically on the go, you can connect with any Cardano wallet, and through that wallet, you can basically create your account. Once you have connected your wallet and you're able to register information, you put in your name, your email, and other information, your date of birth and region where you're born. Basically, that will be enough to start a process where you choose whether you're creating a genealogy tree or you just log into your data set. This NFT will be allowing you to use that service to link family members, because the NFT policy minting key will be linked to your family, the person who registered first as a reference. Through the dashboard, they'll be able to see the access token key, which will be the minting policy ID. And through that, they'll be able to create a key that will link them with other members of the family that will join. So the NFT tracking is like an alternative to the Atara Prism did that we were not able to implement. However, once another member joined, they can still go back and use your reference in a way to register. So themselves, they'll have another similar dashboard, use the same wallet or any other wallet. However, once they log in, then they'll be able to basically get the same token as yours through the family tree. So you can see the relationship. You can establish whether they are parents, siblings, or overall. That was a demonstration of the process through by which two members sign in, log in, and identify their linkages and establish their family linkages. And through this app, we hope to implement a mobile application, given that mobile is what users are able to access in Africa, not laptops. And this solution, we aim to implement it beyond the funding proposal, either through our own onboarding process or through collaboration with other members within the Cardano communities that will develop mobile applications. So thank you again for the funding, and also we continue to implement solutions locally using the team in Goma that are both learners and builders, and they thank you all for your support and all the support they've been receiving through these challenging times. Thank you. Bye.